energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a Jadandani, the planet of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Miss ever bought that. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make up
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Ow. Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
I know you are there. Come on, Akoto.
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the JuPay app. It will come right now.
Hey, bra. Ah, so when I'm taking mommy, give me my money. Me, Jimsika.
We didn't know. What your JuPay is here? Yes, Karanabay. Sure, JuPay. JuPay is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And no thing is Kano Kana Abrosono.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Hey. So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
You look so gorgeous, Auntie.
Thank you. I hope my date feels the same. Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Laura Mimi.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief.
You obviously aren't using Flora tissues, my dear, because the Flora tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles.
I hope you had a good time.
I had fun, thank you for dinner. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom? Yeah. Okay, fine.
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell Auntie.
Fat Chemi. I just love how it feels.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charity school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you pay here. Yeah, okay, right.
Tell me my boy. Hope you make the most of your money. Needs and fire to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Wesley Girls High School, Ashaiman Senior High School, and Amaniampong Senior High School. Wesley Girls High School comes into the contest as the seeded school. Wesley Girls High School is represented by
Jessica Asida Amwaata, final year.
And
Mamiya Amperi, final year.
Wesley Girls, how has the journey been for you this year?
The journey so far has been good by God's grace, and we are trusting that God will take us further.
I wish you the best. Ashaiman Senior High School is represented by
Wabin Michael
and
Aide Derek.
Ashaiman, tell us about your journey.
So, our journey was very tough, but with God on our side, we are able to reach it, and we know He will do it for us.
Amen to your prayer. Amaniampong Senior High School is represented by
Owusu Silas
and
Benedict Apiekusi.
Amaniampong, how has your journey been?
Our journey has been a little rough, but we know that by the grace of God, the same grace that sustained us at the preliminary stage will see us through this stage too.
Amen. So contestants, you are all welcome. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Dupay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Betamalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Gelmark Foundation. My name is Dr. Gladys Naudi Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, we have 5 rounds of competition, each with its rules. But in all 5 rounds, in fact, in all rounds apart from the 3rd round, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. If you have just one attempt at answering, if for any reason I should ask you to repeat your answer, kindly repeat. Do not change it. A change would invalidate anything you have said earlier. In round 1, each school is going to get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong or you fail to answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may ring the bell to answer correctly for a bonus point. But they will lose a point when they are wrong. If you ring the bell before I tell the school the answer is wrong, or before the bell goes out on them when they are not talking, you won't be called to give your answer for a bonus point. So I wish you all the best as we start the contest. I'll start the first round with Wesley Girls High School. Name the energy released when a unit of a compound reacts with oxygen. Wesley girls. Yes, Mamia.
So the energy released is heat energy of combustion.
That is correct. Ashaiman, name the energy required to convert a unit of a liquid compound into its gaseous state. Yes, Michael.
It is energy of vaporization.
Correct. Amaniampong, name the energy used up during the separation of a unit of a compound into its gaseous atoms. Yes, Silas.
Energy of atomization.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A 2.46 meter long pipe has one open end. The second end is alternately open and closed. A 2.46 meter long pipe has one open end. The second end is alternately open and closed. Take the speed of sound in air as 343 meters per second. Wesley girls, find the fundamental frequency of the pipe when the second end is closed. Mamia.
The fundamental frequency is equal to 3.43 times 10 raised to an exponent of -1 hertz.
Incorrect. Ashaiman, find the first harmonic frequency. Did they ring? Okay, Amaniampong.
34.4 hertz.
Incorrect. Ashaiman, find the first harmonic frequency of the pipe when the second end is open. Go ahead, Derek.
136 hertz.
Incorrect. Amaniampong, find the frequency of the first overtone of the pipe when the second end is closed. Go ahead, Derek. Hey,
103 hertz.
Incorrect. You all were so close. Wesley girls, your answer should have been 34.9 hertz. Ashaiman, 139 hertz. Amaniampong, 105 hertz. Wesley girls, name the gas fixed by mosquito fence, Azolla species.
Nitrogen gas.
Correct. Ashaiman, which group of seedless vascular plants have been given a name that reflects the distinctive appearance of the plants, characterized by their spiky foliage and reproductive structures? Yes, Michael.
Bryophytes.
Incorrect. Wesley girls.
Conifers.
Incorrect. Amaniampong, name the genus in the division Lycophyta to which the plants commonly known as club mosses belong. Yes, Silas.
Genus Musae.
Incorrect. So, Ashaiman, your answer should have been spike moss. Spike moss. Amaniampong, Lycopodium, from Lycophyta. Preamble to all schools. A committee of 3 is chosen from 5 girls and 3 boys. Find the probability the committee has. A committee of 3 is chosen from 5 girls and 3 boys. Find the probability the committee has, Wesley girls, 2 girls and 1 boy. Go ahead, Jessica.
A fraction with numerator of 15 and denominator of 28.
Correct. Ashaiman, 1 girl and 2 boys. Derek.
A fraction with numerator 15 and denominator 56.
Correct. Amaniampong, 3 girls. Go ahead, Benedict.
5 on 28.
Correct. We have 30 seconds for the set. Preamble to all schools. Give the systematic name of the given compound. Give the systematic name of the given compound. Wesley girls. 2-bromopent 3-ene. Go ahead, Wesley girls.
4-bromopent 2-ene.
Correct. Ashaiman, dimethyl cyclopentene. Derek.
1,2-dimethyl cyclopentene.
Incorrect. Wesley girls.
2,3-dimethyl cyclopentene.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. 2-ethylpent3-ene. Go ahead, Benedict.
4-methyl-2-hexene.
I'll give to you. So, Ashaiman, your answer should have been 3,4-dimethyl cyclopentane. Preamble to all schools. A uniform meter stick is balanced on the knife edge under the 0.50 meter mark. A uniform meter stick is balanced on the knife edge under the 0.50 meter mark. Wesley girls. If a 25-gram mass is suspended on the 0.25 meter mark, on which mark must a 125-gram mass be suspended to maintain balance? Jessica.
At the 0.55 meter mark.
That is correct. Ashaiman. Ashaiman. If a 36-gram mass is suspended on the 0.24 meter mark, on which mark must a 72-gram mass be suspended to maintain balance? Go ahead, Derek.
It should be suspended at the 0.56 meter mark.
Incorrect. Wesley girls.
At the 0.63 meter mark.
That is correct. If a 15-gram mass is suspended on the 0.25 meter mark, on which mark must a 25-gram mass be suspended to maintain balance? Amaniampong, that's yours. Yes, Benedict.
At the 0.65 meter mark.
That is correct. So this one is a common One to all of you. When I get to you, give me your answer. And it's long, so listen attentively. Apart from the sensory role of the seci in detecting environmental stimuli, such as air, currents, vibrations, and chemicals. Apart from the sensory role of the seci in detecting environmental stimuli, such as air currents, vibrations, and chemicals, name one other role of the seci in insects. Wesley girls.
Reproduction.
No. Ashaiman. Ashaiman.
It's used to find for potential meat.
Correct. Amaniampong.
Okay. During mating in some insects, the seci is used by the male to hold the female firmly for sperm deposition into the ovipositor.
No. So they help in detecting predators and also in navigating their surroundings. Preamble to all schools. Solve the radical equation. Solve the radical equation. Wesley girls, root of the expression 2x squared minus 9 equals x. Mamia.
X is equal to positive 3.
Correct. Ashaiman. Ashaiman. Square root of the expression 5x squared minus 36 equals 2x. Go ahead, Michael.
X is equal to positive 6.
Correct. Amaniampong. Square root of the expression 3x squared over 2 minus 2 equals x.
X is equal to positive 2.
Correct. That's the end of the first round. So we have challenges from Ashaiman Senior High School, Wesley Girls, and Amaniampong. So Wesley Girl, yours is on the biology. I'm accepting your answer, actually. Amaniampong. Wesley Girls has given an answer first on reproduction. So you also can't give an answer on reproduction. Then Ashaiman, yours is on the systematic name of 4,5-dimethylcyclopentene, referred to the consultant, not readily available now. So we are not going to announce results for round 1. We'll continue with round 2 when we are done. Then I'll have a response for you, and then we can award the points that you deserve. So, contestants, we continue with round 2. I understand school wants the biology question read again. Apart from the sensory role of the sacci in detecting environmental stimuli such as air currents, vibrations, and chemicals. Name one other role of the cerci in insects. So if a school has mentioned copulation, no other school can mention copulation. Reproduction, yes. So, yes. Is copulation not part of reproduction? The answer is not expected to be specific because there are, in different insects, the cerci is used for different things. Generally, it's for sensory functions. Yes. So we don't need, once reproduction has been mentioned, I can't give the same point for copulation. So we are still holding on for the chemistry. We'll continue with the, okay, I have a response now. Is not acceptable. The answer is 3,4-dimethylcyclopentene. That is the answer. Yeah, Anita. Yes. Yes. What they say? Oh, yes. It seems we haven't come to an acceptance on this, right? I'll change the biology set.
Your quality choices with Goil Super XP, available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefi. Goil. Good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
We are going to change the biology set. Wesley girls, what are basidia?
Basidia refers to the reproductive spores produced by members of the phylum Basidiomycota, and these spores are used in reproduction such that these basidia are distributed from the main fungi in order for development of a different fungi on a new substrate.
That is correct. What kind of reproduction do species in the phylum Ascomycota undergo? Ashaiman. Yes.
It is asexual and is by budding.
It is
asexual and by budding.
You get 2 out of 3. Amaniampong. What? Describe the basidia. Yes.
Okay. The basidia refers to, it is a reproductive structure in the phylum Basidiomycota, and it is club-shaped and it is responsible for producing spores.
No. So the basidia are swollen hyphal tips that look like clubs. You were to describe. So we are done with the first round. Amaniampong, you are saying your contestant said the basidia is club-shaped? You didn't say that, did you? You did? You said it was club-shaped. You get 2 out of 3 then. Ashaiman is contesting the fact that the biology question changed and it has affected them. Ashaiman, please, let's be fair with each other. If the situation had affected you, you would have wanted us to scrap it off, right? This is not new in NSMQ. If we have a situation that we cannot resolve, we scrap the whole thing and start. We redo it, and that's what we did. Unfortunately, you got 2 out of 3. I don't think we've been unfair to you. So please, let's continue. At the end of round 1, Ashaiman Senior High School had 11 points. Amaniampong Senior High School had 16 points. And Wesley Girls High School had 20 points. We continue with the second round. In this round, the questions are coming to all schools. It is called the Prudential Life Speed Race. So your speed will count here. When the question comes, all schools can take a turn. If you are the first to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, another school answers correctly for 2 points when they are wrong. A third school answers correctly for 1 point. Whenever you get it wrong, you lose a point. In this round, you can ring the bell at any time. But as soon as you are called, you have to start giving your answer. Because if you don't start within 3 seconds, a bell will go out on you and you lose out. You lose a point. Because your answer will be considered wrongly given. You starting to say, and we have, and when we worked out that we got this, will not count as the beginning of an answer. So kindly take note. We start our Prudential Life Speed Race now. All the best to you. Under certain conditions, iron reacts with water to form Fe3O4. Calculate the volume of hydrogen gas formed when 3.00 moles of iron react under standard conditions. Amaniampong.
We have 89.6 dm³.
Correct. At 30 degrees Celsius, At 30 degrees Celsius, 3.40 milligrams of calcium sulfate dissolves in 2.00 decimeters cube of solution. Calculate the molar solubility of the salt at the given temperature. Ashaiman.
1.70 milligram per dm cube.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
We have 1.25 by 10 to an exponent of negative 2 millimole per dm cube.
Incorrect. Wesley girls.
1.25 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 5 mole per dm cube.
Correct. We continue. What is the degree? What is the degree of unsaturation in the compound with molecular formula C8H10? Yes, Amaniampong.
We have 4.
Correct. What? When I start the question, I will not repeat. What must the voltage across the terminals of a 49 microfarad capacitor be if the energy it stores is 98 microjoules? Ashaiman.
2.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 3 volts.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
2.0 microvolts.
Incorrect. Wesley girls.
2.0 kilovolts.
Incorrect. It is 2.0 volts. Determine the work done by 2.5 moles of an ideal gas in an expansion from 0.15 cubic meters to 0.75 cubic meter at a constant pressure of 16. Yes, Wesley girls.
9.6 times 10 raised to an exponent of 9.6 by 10 raised to an exponent of 0 joules.
Incorrect. Ashaiman. Go ahead.
9.6 kilojoules.
Correct. Find the energy of a photon of frequency 5 times 10 to the power 14 hertz. As yes, Wesley girls.
3 times 10 raised to an exponent of negative 24 joules.
Incorrect. As expressed in electron volts. Ashaiman.
2 by 10 raised to the power negative 1 electron volt.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
2.1 electron volts.
Incorrect. It is 2 electron volts. Which element plays a crucial role in converting light energy into chemical energy? Yes, Wesley girl.
Magnesium.
Correct. Give the name of the reproductive structure found on some annelids that generates mucus for sperm transfer. Yes, Ashaiman.
Clitillum.
That is correct. In which order of insects are front and hind wings held together? Amaniampong.
Order Orthoptera.
Incorrect. By small hooks called Ashaiman.
Order Diptera.
Incorrect. Called hamuli. Hymenoptera. Find the coordinates of the point of inflection of the curve. Y equals x cubed plus 6x squared minus 6x minus 8. Yes, Ashaiman.
The point is negative 2, 48.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
Negative 2,20.
Correct. Find the values of the constants A, B, and C if 10 minus 12x minus 2x squared equals A. Yes, Amaniampong.
A is equal to negative 2. B is equal to 3, while C is equal to 28.
Incorrect. Wesley girls.
A is equal to negative 2. B is equal to negative 3. And C is equal to positive 18.
Incorrect. Equals A minus B multiplying the square of the expression x plus C. A is 28, B is 2, C is 3. Find all real roots of the equation 4 to the power x cubed equals 256 to the power x. Wesley girls.
X is equal to 2 or negative 2.
Incorrect. Who rang? Amaniampong.
S is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 2, or s is equal to 0.
That is correct. That's the end of the speed race.
This is the same situation that
Okay, so we have a challenge from Amaniampong, and theirs is that they gave me 1.25 times 10 to the power -2 millimole per decimeter cube. And please, I know how to pronounce it. And I refused. Yes, I refused. But consultant says I should accept. So that means the third school that got it will not get it. Okay. So as we wait for the results, Amaniampong would like to make a change. So Anoderic is coming in for Silas Owusu-Bedu. Thank you for being with us, Silas. You are welcome, Derek. I don't want to see your eye moving away from me. Thank you. So each table is going to get a sheet of paper. Don't touch it till I ask you to. There are dire repercussions for touching it before then. So kindly give to them. Thank you. So contestants, this is the third round. We are going to solve the problem of the day, a common problem that you all would solve. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. You have 4 minutes to solve this problem on the screens provided. Okay. On the screens provided. So, before we start with the third round, at the end of round 2, Ashaiman Senior High School had 11 points. Wesley Girls High School had 18 points. And Amaniampong Senior High School had 24 points. So contestants would be reading the problem of the day together. Then you put your solutions on the board, on the screen outcome to assess your solutions, after which I'll read out the suggested solution from our consultant. I wish you the best. Kindly stand. Lift your sheets. Don't turn them over yet. I want us all to see, so lift them up. Now turn them over. We read, a very long solenoid wound with 100 turns per meter, whose radius is 5 centimeters, carries a current of 4 amperes. Determine the magnitude of the magnetic flux density inside the solenoid and state the value of the magnetic flux density outside the solenoid. 2. Calculate the magnetic flux through a plane whose normal is parallel to the axis of the solenoid. 3. Determine the amplitude of the induced EMF in a loop of radius 1 centimeter inside the solenoid with a diameter perpendicular to the solenoid axis, when the loop is rotated about that diameter at a steady rate of 40 over pi radians per second. You have 4 minutes starting now. Stop writing. So our contestants have put their solutions on the board. I have assessed them. And I'm going to read out what the consultant suggested. So this is a physics problem of the day. And they were to, with the information given, they were to determine the magnitude of magnetic flux inside of a solenoid and outside the solenoid. So for inside the solenoid, it will be 0.5 millitesla. Wesley girls and Amaniampong got that. Its value outside the solenoid is 0. So Wesley girls got that, Amaniampong also got that. You got 1, right? Yes, so you got the inside. Then the magnetic field, the magnetic field inside the solenoid is perpendicular to the plane. So the magnetic flux, phi, is equal to BA cos theta, which is equal to 0.5 millitesla times pi times the square of the expression 5 times 10 to the power negative 2 meter times cos 0, which is equal to 4 microweber. 2 points for that. Where A equals pi r squared. A equals pi r squared, which is equal to the cross-sectional area of the solenoid since the field is 0 outside the solenoid, and theta is the angle between the solenoid axis and the normal to the plane. So if you were able to give me just this equation, you would have earned a point. The magnetic flux through the loop is phi equals B A prime cos omega t, where omega is the rotation rate. So the induced EMF in the loop is negative d phi over dt, which will be equal to B A prime omega sine omega t. 1 point for that. And that would give you 0.5 millitesla times pi times 1 times 10 to the power negative 2 meter. So the square of 1 times 10 to the power negative 2 meter times 4 over pi radians per second times sine omega equals the expression 2 microvolts sine omega t. 2 points for that. So it starts sinusoidal of amplitude 2 microvolts. 1 point. Then you get your 10 points. So Ashaiman had 1 point. Wesley girls had 2 points, and Amaniampong had 4 points. Wesley girls, oh, okay, bring the second one. So Wesley girls would like to make a change. Fyra Dede Doku is coming in for Jessica Asida Mwata to go out. So thank you for being with us, Jessica. I love your smile. Keep it up, okay? Yes. Let me announce the second one. Ashaiman also is bringing in Desmond Asari for Michael Boabin to go out. Thank you for being with us, Michael. Yes. No. Let me see your formula. Okay. So we are done with the problem of the day. Congratulations to you all for gaining some points. This is the fourth round. In this round, each school gets a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer at all. Then another school may ring the bell to answer correctly for 2 points, or lose a point when they are wrong. This round, we call it the do pay true or false round. And for this particular contest, we have promo codes for the competing schools that alumni of the schools outside Ghana can send money to friends and family in Ghana using do pay money transfer, for which DuPay would give the school $20 per transaction. That is when they use the promo code I'm coming to give. All the promo codes are in capital letters. So if you send money from outside Ghana into the country using DuPay money transfer, use this promo code for Wesley girls. Yours is Weygehe, Weyghey, Weygehe. Ashaiman, yours is Ashaisek, Ashaisec. Amaniampong, yours is Amaniampong, Amaniampong, all in capital letters. So alumni out there, send money to Ghana using DuPay money transfer. Then DuPay, if you use the promo codes provided, DuPay would give your school $20 for each transaction. $20 for each transaction. So the true or false round is sponsored by DuPay money transfer. Meet a need, send via DuPay. It won't cost you anything, but it will earn your school a lot, so send money. We start the fourth round with Wesley Girls High School. There's a preamble to all schools. During the electrolysis of brine, Wesley Girls, an aqueous solution of sodium chloride is used as the electrolyte.
True.
Correct. Ashaiman. Hydrogen gas evolves at the anode and chlorine gas at the cathode.
False.
Correct. Amaniampong. The primary products are chlorine gas, hydrogen gas, and sodium hydroxide. Yes, Benedict. True. That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Wavelengths for visible light, Wesley Girls, lie between 200 nanometers and 1 micrometer.
False.
Incorrect. Ashaiman. Can have a difference as great as 800 nanometers.
False.
Correct. Amaniampong. Do not lie between 900 nanometers and 1 micrometer. Yes, Derek.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. The water vascular system of echinoderms allows the water vascular system of echinoderms allows, Wesley girls, organisms to move throughout their environment by way of tube feet?
True.
Correct. Ashaiman. Organisms to grasp onto prey. Desmond.
True.
Correct. Amaniampong. Gaseous exchange. Yes, Derek. Benedict, sorry.
True.
Correct. Wesley girls, 15 is congruent to negative 13 modulo 14.
True.
Correct. Ashaiman. 21 is congruent to negative 9 modulo 13.
False.
Correct. Amaniampong. 24 is congruent to negative 6 modulo 15. Yes, Derek.
True.
Correct. A primary alcohol can be directly oxidized to a ketone. Wesley girls.
False.
Correct. Ashaiman. Primary alcohols are generally more resistant to oxidation than secondary alcohols.
False.
Correct. Amaniampong. Primary alcohols can be oxidized to aldehydes and further to carboxylic acids. Yes, Derek.
True.
Correct. Wesley girls, P-type semiconductor is arsenic-doped silicon. Mamia?
False.
Correct. Ashaiman. N-type semiconductor is arsenic-doped silicon.
True.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. N-type semiconductor is negatively charged. Yes, Derek.
False.
Correct. Wesley girls, the haploid gametophyte of angiosperms and gymnosperms is a conspicuous and long-lived stage of the life cycle.
False.
Correct. Ashaiman. In angiosperms, the microspores develop into male gametophytes that are released as pollen.
True.
Correct. Amaniampong. In angiosperms, new haploid sporophyte is formed when a male gamete from a pollen grain enters the ovule sac and fertilizes the egg. Yes, Derek.
False.
Correct. Wesley girls, sign of the expression 2 pi minus x equals sine x. Go ahead, Mami. Is your hand up?
Yes, please. Okay, so false.
Correct. Ashaiman. Cos of the expression 2x minus cos of the expression 2 pi minus x equals cos x.
False.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. Tan of the expression 2 pi minus x equals tan x. Derek?
False.
Correct. That's the end of the Jupe true or false round. have a challenge from Wesley Girls High School. The first physics statement they got, they are saying that the wavelength of visible light rather lies between 700 nanometers and 400 nanometers. Yes, what you are saying is true, but it's also a subset of 200 nanometers and 1 micrometer. So you are not getting it, sorry. So at the end of the JUPE true or false round, which I hope the alumni have sent money to Ghana through JUPE for their schools to get their cuts, their share, $200 for each transaction. Ashaiman Senior High School had 22 points. Wesley Girls High School had 33 points. And Amaniampong Senior High School had 41 points. Contestants, this is the 5th and final round. In this round, we have 4 riddles to solve. I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddles. Each riddle comes to all of you, so if you're able to solve on the first clue, 5 points for you. Second clue, 4 points. Third to the very last, 3 points. You may take turns. If you take a turn and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. You join us if there is any after. In this round, we have at stake the Gore Riddle Bonanza. This will reward a school that is able to solve either 3 or 4 riddles correctly. If you're able to solve 3 correctly, you earn for your team 1,200 Ghana cedis. If you are able to solve 4 riddles correctly, you earn for your team 1,600 Ghana cedis. So I wish you the best. When you are ready with your solution, ring the bell. I'll stop whatever I'm doing and give you the opportunity to give me your solution. So we start our 5th round. Ready? I am a simple alcohol. I'm often used to produce acetone. Amaniampong.
Ethanol.
Incorrect. I am commonly, did you ring? Okay. I am commonly used as a disinfectant in barbering salons. Ashaiman.
Methanol.
Incorrect. I am a secondary alcohol. My common name is isopropyl alcohol. I have the molecular formula C3H8O. Who am I? Wesley Girls, all for you. Go ahead.
2-propanol.
That is correct. We continue. I am a physical quantity. I may be positive or negative. I determine an important property of a lens or a mirror. Yes, Ashaiman.
Focal length.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
Radius of curvature.
Correct. We continue. I am a part. I'm a part of the mammalian eye. I'm the most common site for metastasis in the eye due to extensive vascular supply. Wesley Girls.
Choroid.
Correct. 4 points. 4 points for that. Last one. We are two events, A and B, in a sample space S. We are free of each other in terms of occurrence. Yes, Wesley girls?
Independent events.
Correct. Points. Amaniampong is saying the third riddle was answered on the third clue and not on the second clue. That is not true. I have the sheet here. I have the sheet here. The third clue. This is the third clue. In humans. Did I say anything like that? I did not. So the third clue did not start. As soon as I finished with the second clue, they rang the bell and they answered, and they got 4 points for it. The same for the fourth riddle. Okay. So you answered 3 out of 4 riddles. So congratulations, you have won 1,200 Ghana cedis. for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next one, which promises to be exciting. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Dupay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from 7th to 23rd November 2024. Join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. At the end of the contest, we got multiples of 2. Ashaiman Senior High School had 22 points. In fact, multiples of 2 and 11. Ashaiman Senior High School had 22 points. The Wesley Girls Senior High School and Amaniampong Senior High School each had 44 points. So we cannot end the contest. We cannot end the contest. We need to break a tie. We need to break the tie. Where is my tiebreaker? So Ashaiman Senior High School, you sit out on this one. It's between Amaniampong Senior High School and Wesley Girls High School. I wish you both the best. This is a sudden death situation. When you answer, you carry the day. When you answer correctly, you carry the day. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Good. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals x. Yes, Amaniampong.
Okay, f inverse of x is equal to negative, a fraction with numerator, negative 3x plus 2, and denominator, negative x plus 1.
Incorrect. So Wesley Girls, I continue. Of the function f of x equals x over the expression x minus 3 for x not equal to 3. Wesley Girls.
F inverse of x is given by a fraction with numerator. A fraction with numerator 3x and denominator x minus 1.
I have to consult the consultant. needed to add x is not equal to 1. So we continue. A and B are independent events such that P of A, the probability of A equals X, probability of B equals 2X, and probability of A intersection B equals 3/8. Find the value of X. Amaniampong.
We have S is equal to plus or minus root 3 all on 4.
Incorrect. Wesley girls.
X is equal to root 3 all over 4.
Correct. Please, let's finish. So we have broken our tie. We have broken our tie. And Amaniampong, this wasn't your day. And so, I'd say goodbye to Ashaiman Senior High School and Amaniampong Senior High School. I wish you the best in whatever you do from here on. Congratulations to you, Wesley girls. You won the contest. And for winning this contest, you have first maintained your seat and also qualified for the quarterfinal stage. I wish you the best as you go on. I pray you go beyond the quarterfinal stage. All the best to you. Your score may not be the highest for the day, but had it been, you would have won the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. I am Dr. Gladys Naode Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.